This summer for me has been all about just having all kinds of fun, iced coffee based drinks. This one kind of combines my favorite morning smoothie with a nice coffee twist. So we have here some milk, some frozen bananas from earlier, and then some honey for some sweetness. You can use whatever you like. Some brewed coffee. This is kind of strong, espresso like because I've made it in my French press. And then the good vanilla stuff. This is vanilla bean paste. I'm gonna add a lot of that right in there. And then here's my homemade chocolate sauce. Very simple, just chocolate chips and cream. Recipes linked down below. In it goes with a couple of ice cubes, and then once you got that, blend and blitz it all up. You can have it still a bit icy, you can have it completely smooth, but no matter how you have it, be sure to take some more of that chocolate sauce and just kind of stain the glass you're gonna serve this on, because that's the fun part. That nice banana-y coffee drink with hints of chocolate and that lovely chocolate flavor which you can scoop up with your knife as you slow up down this summer, having fun in the sun. And finally, top it all off with some whipped cream. You can make it homemade, you can use a dispenser, you can use the ready-made store-bought bottle stuff. It's all gonna be good. I just want you to have a good time. So go ahead and enjoy the sun with this nice decadent drink, I must say. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.